If you're still managing clients manually, tracking leads in spreadsheets, and using multiple tools for communication and reputation management, then it's time to simplify your workflow. A customer relationship management system, or a CRM, helps you automate your entire business, from lead capture to follow-up and client management. And today I'm showing you how Go High Level makes this process seamless for beginners. Whether you're a service-based business, a coach, a medical practice, or a beauty salon, Go High Level will simplify the way you run your business. Let's get started. So Go High Level isn't just another CRM. It is an all-in-one platform designed to automate your business from start to finish. So here's what you can automate using Go High Level. You can do lead management and follow-ups, so you can capture leads, assign them to pipelines, and set up automated follow-ups so no potential client slips through the cracks. Then you can do email and SMS marketing, so you can send appointment reminders, special offers, newsletters, and abundant cart emails automatically. Then you can do appointment scheduling, so you can integrate with your calendars and let clients book appointments online with automated confirmations. Reputation management, you can request and manage customer reviews automatically, boosting your brand's credibility. Then you can also build funnels, landing pages, websites. You can capture leads through professional looking pages without needing a separate website builder. Client onboarding, you can automate the onboarding process with welcome emails, contracts, and even step-by-step guide. And then sales pipelines and reporting, so you can track where your leads are in the sales cycle and measure conversion rates effortlessly. So why does automation matter to you? Depending on your industry. So for medical and dental clinics, for example, you can send automated appointment reminders via SMS or email. You can follow up with patients after their visit and even request reviews to improve your online visibility and reputation. Then for salons and spas, for example, you can automate booking confirmations, send reminders, and follow up with customers with special discount offers. For coaches or consultants, you can automate lead nurturing with scheduled emails, set up client onboarding, and manage follow-ups with ease. And for real estate agents, for example, you can follow up with potential buyers, automate listing updates, and send personalized messages to maintain the client relationship. So no matter your business type, automation ensures better client relationships, fewer no-shows, and automatically more revenue. So how do you set up such a platform, Go High Level CRM, for your business? The first thing you can do is sign up using the link below and get a 30-day free trial using Go High Level for your business. So sign up and log into your dashboard. Then you will need to click Create Account to set up a new business profile. You can select your industry, for example, healthcare, beauty, real estate, and tailor your automation settings. You will need to create a sub-account for your business and add all your different business details there. Then you can import and organize your leads. So by going to the CRM dashboard and click Contacts, you can import existing leads for your business. You can then use tags and pipelines to categorize clients. So you can categorize them by new lead, booked appointment, completed service, so you know exactly how to relate to these customers and what types of emails and SMS messages you need to send to them. And then you can do exactly that, automate follow-ups based on their pipeline stage. So for example, somebody booked an appointment in the past, you want to do an automated workflow, an email workflow to get them to book again with you. You can send them a series of 3 to 5 emails, giving them more information on how your service has improved, and of course offering them a discount code so they can come back to you and book your services. This is an example, of course, but there are many other things that you can automate with Go High Level. So then you can set up automated appointment scheduling by navigating to calendars and creating an appointment booking system. You can sync it with Google Calendar or Outlook for seamless scheduling. Then you can enable SMS and email reminders to reduce no-shows. So this ensures that people get an SMS reminding them about their appointment, an email, and so on, depending on what you set up using Go High Level. Another thing you can do is automate SMS and email sequences. As I've talked before, you can go to automation and workflows. So you can create a workflow for appointment confirmations, follow-up messages. For example, thank you for visiting us, leave a review here. You can do for special promotions and loyalty rewards and so much more. So you can customize your messages with dynamic fields. For example, hey, first name, your appointment is confirmed for date. And then when people sign up using a different form on your website, their name will automatically show up in this workflow. So what a CRM does, as you can see, it helps you automate your business without you doing the extra work. So it does all the extra work for you, so you can just create the workflow once, and then everything is set up automatically and the business runs for you. Another thing you can do is manage reviews and reputation. So navigate to reputation management, set up an automatic review request for happy customers. Of course, by connecting your Google account for your business and your Facebook page, you can automatically import existing reviews, and then you can respond to reviews directly from the dashboard to maintain engagement. Again, you can set up different workflows for SMS or email for people that have honored their appointment, so they can receive such an email or SMS a few days after their appointment to ask for a review. Then you can build funnels and landing pages to capture more leads. So as your business keeps growing, you improve your services and everything else, you want to make sure that you have that being shown on your website and in your funnels. So with the website builder, you can create lead capture pages, and with the funnels as well. And there you can embed a booking form, a lead magnet to generate new clients effortlessly. And another really cool thing you can do with Go High Level is set up ads. Social media ads are really important as well. As your business is growing, it's an important part of your marketing strategy. So these are all things that a CRM does for your business. But Go High Level, as I said, is not any CRM. It is one that helps you automate your entire business from start to finish. And with my link in the description below, you get 30 days free trial, so you can try out Go High Level for your business, import a snapshot that they have, and everything will be automatically set up for you. All you need to do after that is customize the website, customize the workflows, and your business is ready to go. So this is especially helpful for people that want to save a lot of money on using different tools and that want to automate their business, be it a healthcare business, service-based business, e-commerce business, coaching business, or anything else. So make sure to click the link below and start automating your business today using Go High Level. And make sure to come back to my channel for more tutorials and for bonuses when using Go High Level through my link. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.